Hey, how's it going? I'm at Makinoto Pass. I'm on my way to Kutsukake-yama and then up to Kujiu-san. Lots of people here. Hard to get a shot with no people in it. Everyone's out here seeing the pretty autumn leaves. That fella over there, that's Kujiu-san. That's where we're going now. I would like to get there at 12. Maybe. Let's get a wriggle on. Yellow spots everywhere. It's a bit of choose your own adventure, really. I'm pretty knackered. Great views though. All right. Next we're going to the highest peak, which is Nakadake. I think it's that one there. Heading to Nakadake. It's 12:24. Hoping to get there by 1:45 and have some lunch. I'm starving. Beautiful day. Nakadake. Up there. That's a cute little thing. This is good, but way too messy. Pudding for dessert, but I forgot a spoon. Oh, so good. Do I have curry on my face? Next, we are going to go down there to that shelter over there. And after that, Hosho-san. Well, decided to skip this shelter, drink some coffee at this pond instead. Time to go to Hosho-san. I believe Hosho-san is that one there. Let's go check it out. Beautiful day. Kuju wakare. That way? That way? Gonna go along this reach. Nice little window we got here. One last push. Hosho-san, Hosho-san, here I am. Wow. All right. It's 2:47. I'd like to get back at 3:30, but I don't think that's gonna happen. But anyway, I'm gonna get a move on. Look at that color. I found autumn. All right. Should be about an hour. Now it's 3:10. I'd like to finish at 4. Let's go. Can I do it? Suspense. Oh, beauty. Look at that. The last bit of climbing is back up Kakekutsuyama. Kakekutsuyama? Kutsukake-yama. I made it back. All right. 3:46. Thanks guys for watching. Now I'm sure that didn't look nearly as good as the real thing, so come and check it out for yourself. See you in the next hike. Boom.